Hey folks, JD here, and first of all we are looking at some FPV footage from the FTX Bugster. This is from the original drive test which we looked at a little while ago. I think it was last year. You will find this particular video in the description if you haven't seen it. So this was still when the Bugster was new, before I ruined it, and in the first part here we've got to go through some mud, through some different terrain, and then towards the end then we have, I think at about 1 minute and 9, we have some speed runs then of it going as fast as it possibly can. And to be honest, this thing, for the size of it, this thing shifts. Right then, so where are we going to start off? Let's start off on Monday. Monday we have the first instalment of the 10 Toys for Christmas. This is the RC Can Car. Then we have the Unique Breeze 4K unboxing, Unique Breeze 4K flight on Wednesday. Thursday we have the Unique Breeze versus the Spark. What are they like? Are they both the same? Are they better? Which one is better? If that's the case, that's what we look at on Thursday. Friday we have the FAE FY002 Rock Crawler. This is a Caterpillar truck crawl, and this is multiple terrains. This is in the woods, over mud, over mulch, in water. Literally throw everything that I have at my disposal at it. That's the unboxing on Friday. On Saturday is the car test. That's where we throw everything at it. We go in the woods, over mud. It's something really not to be missed. And on Sunday we have the Sim2 Ferry, another flight, seeing exactly how this does from start to finish, purely on Wi-Fi once again. Alright then folks, well thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I will leave you there to enjoy the rest of this FPV. I shall see you all very, very soon. Thank you once again for your loyalty and your love, and I shall see you very, very shortly. Have a great week, my friends. Look after each other and yourselves. Take care and happy flying.